Hello and welcome to Model Rail video number 8, designed to be enjoyed in conjunction with your monthly Model Rail magazine. As usual, this programme is packed with hints, tips, techniques and layouts and plenty of step-by-step demonstrations. With the summer now long gone and the winter nights drawing in, many modellers will have plenty of time to spend on this great hobby. Out at the preserve railways, it's getting a bit chilly and grey at this time of year, but there's still plenty to see and do at fantastic displays like the new Steam Museum here at Swindon, dedicated of course to the Great Western Railway.